In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your WordPress site using the Elementor plugin. This method is an efficient way to grow your email list and manage subscribers directly from your website. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, you'll need to install and activate the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin. This plugin is essential as it allows you to connect your WordPress site with your Mailchimp account, enabling a variety of features like subscription forms and subscriber management. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins section, and search for Mailchimp for WordPress. Once you find it, click on Install Now and then Activate to get it up and running. Next, before we proceed any further, it's important to have your Mailchimp API key ready. This key is your unique identifier that allows WordPress to communicate securely with your Mailchimp account. To locate your API key, log into your Mailchimp account, go to your profile, and under Extras, you will find the API Keys tab. You might need to generate a new key if you haven't already done so. Copy this key as we'll need it in just a moment. Now let's move back to WordPress to set things up on your site. You'll want to go into Elementor by selecting Edit Page from the navigation menu in WordPress. This will open up the Elementor page builder where you can customize your site's pages. Scroll down to the widgets area and drag a form widget onto the page where you want to display your email subscription form. This intuitive drag and drop interface makes it easy to position the form exactly where you want it on your page. With the form widget in place, click on the Mailchimp integration option within the form settings. Here's where you'll paste the Mailchimp API key you copied earlier. By entering this key, you enable the integration between Elementor and Mailchimp. After you do this, you'll be prompted to select the audience you want new subscribers to be added to. This is a crucial step as it ensures that the data collected through your form is correctly funneled into your desired Mailchimp list. Once your form is linked to the correct audience, go ahead and customize it to match your site's branding. You can edit the form fields, change button styles, and adjust any other design elements to ensure it seamlessly blends with your website's aesthetic. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to publish your page, hit publish, and just like that, your Mailchimp integrated subscription form is now live on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin, connected it through Elementor, and customized your very own subscription form. It's a seamless setup that empowers your site visitors to subscribe easily, helping you expand your reach and manage your audience efficiently.